To make a stained glass object, you'll need sheets of colored glass, a glass cutter, a pair of Grozer pliers, copper foil, gel or liquid flux, a soldering iron and solder, and an electric glass grinder. Draw or print out a template for your design and cut it into separate pieces. Label each piece by color. Place each piece of the template under the desired color of glass and use a permanent marker to trace the shape of the template piece onto the surface of the glass. Use firm pressure to score the glass along the lines you drew with a glass cutter. If the lines are straight, you can break the glass along the score marks with your Grozer pliers. For curved lines, use the glass cutter to break the glass. The glass pieces will have jagged edges after you break them, so smooth them down using the electric glass grinder. Cover the edges of the glass with the copper foil, then paint a layer of flux onto the foil. Use the solder and soldering iron to attach the pieces of foiled glass together, following your template. When you're done, you can frame your piece in a zinc frame or lead channel. You'll need to solder the pane of glass into the frame to finish.